Welcome, and following me is a Samsung Galaxy Core Plus, and today I will show you how to insert SIM card and memory card. So, let's see, I have a memory card right here and a SIM card right here. Let's see if I can get them in. Oh, there we go. Now they're visible. Okay, so to begin this, you want to power off the device, so hold the power key and just power it off. And then once it's off, you can flip it back, and on this side right here, which is, if you're looking at a screen, it's on the right side. So you have a little notch where you can stick your finger now and pry off the cover like so. And then you have a battery. You just want to pry it up and out, so like this. And then you get the tray for both of them. Now, I believe you might be able to put in a memory card without taking out the battery, but the SIM card, you need to take out the battery. So to put it in, you want to put it under here and just slide it all the way in there. And the memory card goes, I think, like this, right? Okay, so like so. And once they're both in there, you can put back the battery. Now I'm not gonna put it all the way in, and I'm not gonna cover it. The battery has a little double-sided tape, so it will be really hard for me to take it out, and like once I would basically push it all the way. So I'm just gonna skip that for now. Yeah. Now let's wait for the device to power back on. Okay, now as you can see, the SIM card is being read. So I need to put in the PIN number for it. And the memory card is most likely being read as well. Just let me find it. Storage, let's see. As you can see, there it is. The SD card is also being read. So as you can see, both of them are working fine. And that is basically how you put it in there. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.